Another push for accountability months after the deadly Oxford High School shooting. Today, the family of one of the victims filing a federal lawsuit against the school district.
This is now the third civil lawsuit filed against the school. As TV5's James Felton reports, the goal of this suit is to prevent another tragedy from happening.
The family of 14-year-old Hana St. Juliana, one of 4 students killed at Oxford High School during a shooting, filed a federal lawsuit against the Oxford Community School District. The lawsuit is calling for accountability and reform to protect students and prevent future shootings. This action comes after the group called Change for Oxford held a press conference saying school leaders aren't doing enough.
We felt our school's administration and school board needed to do more to ensure the safety of our students and staff.
Lori Bourgeau is one of many parents who spoke out Thursday, saying Oxford Community Schools isn't doing enough to prevent the tragedy that took place on November 30th from happening again. That's when 4 students were killed and 7 others injured during a shooting at the high school. Bourgeau believes Oxford Community Schools is dragging its feet, saying it's more concerned with protection from civil liability than getting answers.
The school board knows an investigation will show the mistakes the administration and board made leading up to November 30th. And rather than identifying the security breakdowns and policy holes that need to be corrected to ensure our students, our teachers, our staff are safe, they're protecting themselves.
Another parent, Jeff Jones, believes school administrators aren't listening to student concerns, telling us it's having a negative impact.
Daily, these students need to be picked up from school because they don't feel safe. And daily, there are medical issues, as well as many students who don't feel comfortable using restrooms or even to eat in a cafeteria.
As we've reported, these parents are part of a group that wants the school district to hire a new independent school safety expert and start a public and transparent update of Oxford's school safety plan that parents and students can offer input. They also want the plan implemented prior to the 2022-2023 school year. Superintendent Ken Weaver released a statement saying, in part, that since the tragedy on November 30th, Oxford Community Schools has engaged our community through meetings, phone calls, town halls, forums, and surveys to listen and garner feedback. Input from our students, staff, and families has helped shape and drive our successful return to school plan and our school safety plans. We have also consulted with mental health experts, security experts, and law enforcement in developing our plans. We have taken numerous specific and tangible steps to promote the physical safety and emotional well-being of our students and staff. But Bourgeau says numerous attempts to convey students' concerns and demands with school administrators have been met with little to no answer.
We can't fix the problem if we don't identify the cause.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
And the entire Crumbley family is due back in court next week. On Tuesday, Jennifer and James Crumbley will have a pretrial hearing. Both are facing charges of involuntary manslaughter. Their hearing begins at 10 a.m. on Tuesday.
And Ethan Crumbley, the accused shooter at Oxford High School, is set to appear in court next week Thursday for a pretrial hearing. Crumbley is facing 24 charges, including 4 counts of first-degree murder.